All right, what I'd like to do is questions 11 and 12 on the Unit 1 example question set. Oh yeah, and this is Mr. Kingsbury. Number 11, what equation would be the representation of the function y equals the absolute value of x if it was stretched vertically by 7, reflected over the x-axis, and translated horizontally left 3 and vertically up 12? Excellent question. In order to answer that, we need to know what A, C, and D are, because those are the three parts of the equation that we're going to use. Let's see. So it starts with stretched vertically by 7. Well, vertical stretch is an A value, so I'm going to put 7 here for A. Then it says reflected over the x-axis. That means then that the A value needs to be negative. It says translated horizontally left 3. 3, or left I should say, is controlled by C. C controls left and right. Going to the left would be negative, so my C value is negative 3. And then vertically up 12. D controls up and down. Up would be a positive move, so I'm going to put positive 12. And then what I'm going to do is write out my equation. Y equals A times the absolute value of x minus C plus D. And I'm just going to substitute in here. So my A value is negative 7. So I got y equals negative 7 times x minus, and then my C value is negative 3 plus D is 12. And some people like to rewrite this or erase it or do something with it because two negatives make a positive. So that's what you get right there. Number 12, I'm going to do similarly. What equation would be the result of translating the equation y equals the absolute value of x down 4, right 2, reflecting over the x-axis, and vertically compressing it by 1/2? Once again, I need to know what A, C, and D are. So let's see. Translating down 4 units. D handles up and down. Down would be negative, so my D value is negative 4. Right is my C value. C handles left and right. Let's see. Going to the right is a positive value, so C would be positive 2. It says we're reflecting over the x-axis. That means whatever my A value is, it's going to be negative. And then it says we're going to vertically compress this by 1/2. A vertical compression is controlled by the A value, so I'm going to put this value of 1/2 in here, and I get A equals negative 1/2. Then all I have to do is go to my general equation, y equals A times x minus the absolute value of x minus C plus D, and plug in. Y will equal negative 1/2 times x minus 2 minus 4, and that would be our equation. Sorry the paper's crooked.